In the 2025 Women's Premier League, who holds the record for being the youngest debutante? Option A. Shabnam Shakil. Option B. G. Kamalini. Option C. Parshavi Chopra. Option D. Joshitha Vijay. Correct answer. Option B. G. Kamalini. The slight yellow tint in cow's milk is due to the presence of Option A. Carotene. Option B. Lactic acid bacteria. Option C. Curcumin. Option D. Bilirubin. Correct answer. Option A. Carotene. Which initiative introduced in the Union Budget 2025-26 is designed to assess the creditworthiness of rural women and SHG members to facilitate easier loan access? Option A. Village Credit Index. Option B. Grameen Credit Score. Option C. Rural Credit Facility. Option D. Grameen Shakti Lending Score. Correct answer. Option B. Grameen Credit Score. Which Indian oil and gas producer became the first to join UNEP's Oil and Gas Methane Partnership 2.0, committing to reduce methane emissions? Option A. Cairn Oil and Gas. Option B. Oil and Natural Gas Corporation. Option C. Indian Oil Corporation. Option D. GAIL India. Correct answer. Option A. Cairn Oil and Gas. Which of the following positions serves as the Chief Legal Advisor to the Government of India? Option A. Chief Justice of India. Option B. Solicitor General of India. Option C. Chief of Law Commission. Option D. Attorney General of India. Correct answer. Option D. Attorney General of India. King Harshavardhana belonged to which of the following dynasty? Option A. Chalukya dynasty. Option B. Chera dynasty. Option C. Pushyabhuti dynasty. Option D. Maurya dynasty. Correct answer. Option C. Pushyabhuti dynasty. Who introduced the Ilbert Bill in India? Option A. Lord Curzon. Option B. Lord Ripon. Option C. Lord Mountbatten. Option D. Lord Mayo. Correct answer. Option B. Lord Ripon. Who is the author of The Safekeep, which won the 2025 Women's Prize for Fiction? Option A. Rachel Clark. Option B. Jeanette Winterson. Option C. Charlotte London. Option D. Yael van der Wooden. Correct answer. Option D. Yael van der Wooden. India's first rice ATM, also known as the Anaperti Grain ATM, a 24/7 automated machine that dispenses rice to ration cardholders, was inaugurated in which Indian state? Option A. Gujarat. Option B. Rajasthan. Option C. Odisha. Option D. Tamil Nadu. Correct answer. Option C, Odisha. The Government of India declared the elephant as the national heritage animal in which year? Option A, 2005. Option B, 2008. Option C, 2010. Option D, 2013. Correct answer. Option C, 2010. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar described the right to constitutional remedies as the heart and soul of the Indian Constitution. Which article provides this right? Option A, Article 23. Option B, Article 27. Option C, Article 30. Option D, Article 32. Correct answer. Option D, Article 32. In which Indian state is the Bediyanklam festival, known for driving away evil spirits and celebrating the harvest, primarily celebrated? Option A, Kerala. Option B, Meghalaya. Option C, West Bengal. Option D, Arunachal Pradesh. Correct answer. Option B, Meghalaya. Chitty Babu was a renowned Indian classical musician, known for his mastery over which of the following instruments? Option A, sitar. Option B, tabla. Option C, veena. Option D, flute. Correct answer. Option C, veena. Which two countries share Lake Superior, the largest freshwater lake by surface area in the world? Option A, United States and Canada. Option B, Brazil and Colombia. Option C, Finland and Sweden. Option D, Switzerland and Germany. Correct answer. Option A, United States and Canada. Which of the following acts primarily governs the establishment of marine protected areas? Option A, Wildlife Protection Act 1972. Option B, Environment Protection Act 1986. Option C, Biodiversity Act 2002. Option D, National Marine Conservation Policy 2005. Correct answer. Option A, Wildlife Protection Act 1972. Which Indian state government has announced a 15 crore rupees, 3-year sponsorship deal for the Indian national Kho-Kho team? Option A, Karnataka. Option B, Haryana. Option C, Odisha. Option D, Maharashtra. Correct answer. Option C, Odisha. Who coined the slogan Inquilab Zindabad, meaning, long live the revolution? Option A, Bhagat Singh. Option B, Chandrasekhar Azad. Option C, Subhas Chandra Bose. Option D, Maulana Hazrat Mohani. Correct answer. Option D, Maulana Hazrat Mohani. Which country was the first to use paper currency? Option A, India. Option B, Egypt. Option C, Japan. Option D, China. Correct answer. Option D, China. Which national park in India is famous as the only natural habitat of the Asiatic lion in India? Option A, Kaziranga National Park. Option B, Gir National Park. Option C, Keoladeo National Park. Option D, Bandhavgarh National Park. Correct answer. Option B, Gir National Park. Which international body adopted the Universal Declaration of Human Rights? Option A, United Nations General Assembly. Option B, International Court of Justice. Option C, International Federation for Human Rights. Option D, United Nations Human Rights Council. Correct answer. Option A, United Nations General Assembly. Which of the following regions is the first to receive the summer monsoon rains in India? Option A, Eastern Ghats. Option B, Deccan Plateau. Option C, Western Ghats. Option D, Himalayas. Correct answer. Option C, Western Ghats. Under the Pradhan Mantri Matsya Sampada Yojana, which state became the first to establish an organic fisheries cluster? Option A, Mizoram. Option B, Sikkim. Option C, Assam. Option D, Nagaland. Correct answer. Option B, Sikkim. Which of the following is the lightest gas? Option A, oxygen. Option B, nitrogen. Option C, hydrogen. Option D, helium. Correct answer. Option C, hydrogen. In which city was the first International Pashmina Festival and Exhibition held in 2025? Option A, Thimphu, Bhutan. Option B, Colombo, Sri Lanka. Option C, Kathmandu, Nepal. Option D, Lhasa, Tibet. Correct answer. Option C, Kathmandu, Nepal. Which of the following is the largest container port in India? Option A, Jawaharlal Nehru Port. Option B, Vizhinjam International Seaport. Option C, Visakhapatnam Port. Option D, Syama Prasad Mukherjee Port. Correct answer. Option A, Jawaharlal Nehru Port.